Hello, hello. How you guys doing? This is Jerry the Wanderer. Getting ready to getting myself ready to stream and all that kind of stuff. Um, ooh. Hold on 1 second. Let me get myself ready. And all right, how y'all doing? Okay, so yesterday, I think I left myself that say I'm gonna get the game UI finish up. But I kind of ran into a bunch of bugs when it came to interacting. One of which is that whenever you inter- whenever you hover over whenever you hover over the grid, the grid is not being part of the grid is not being highlighted. Heck, update hover it. Why are you running? The heck? This has never happened before. I think it's because I left click. Okay. Process event. Update hover tile and unit. Okay, that never happened to me before. But anyways, whenever you're hovering over the map, using the mouse to hover over the grid, it's not highlighting, and that's an issue. It used to do that, but now it's not. It's probably, I'm assuming it might be a UI issue where something is blocking the UI. Something's blocking the grid from interacting. So I probably have to end up taking a look at that. The way I expect that to be the case is because that we're not interacting correctly with the units. Like we're able we should be able to interact with the characters, but it's not but we're not doing that for some reason. So today, well, I was supposed to get it done yesterday after the stream, but I got busy. I got really busy, so we're gonna end up doing it today. So that's what's gonna happen. First thing first. I need to. Why? Okay. Excuse me, but this is triggering me real bad. And this is happening on update hover entirely. Okay. It's because we got this implemented. It was doing fine before. Let me actually look up that look up in the let me actually look that up in the let me actually look this up in the action component. Oh, actually, Claire, we can actually put the PC real quick because it might be because the player action might be unhooked for whatever reason. We go into component, player action. There's my issue. Alright, click things. There we go. Everything's fixed. how we're not hovering over things, and things are not actually doing it properly. So we're going to take a look at that. I don't think there's anything that's under tick that's being fired off. If it is under tick, this will be called within here to player action or the player controller. Let me go ahead and take a look at tick. Tick's enabled, so it should be picking either way. Actually, let me do a big. We go to the tick and we get parent. Let's go ahead and call. I'm going to do spring, and I just want to say have it do a hello full time. Have it set to like the color like this color to do. What I'm testing right now is if tick's actually being fired off. It's not. That is covered. Why are we having issues on unit? This never. Oh my god, this never happened before. I think what's happening is what could be happening right now is that what's happening is the shit is just happening, and I just don't okay, that needs to be called on that hover. So this is all this is fine. Set unit direction and all that kind of stuff. Okay. Anything actually been called? Yeah, you. Wait, where are you? Oh wait, oh yeah, I forgot. what's probably happening right now is that I import a lot. It actually import a lot of assets that we don't need because I think I was stupid at that time. Let me go ahead and delete. And what's probably happening is that some of these things are getting wired up differently. So if I get rid of them, they should go away. And for me, that's fine. All I'm trying to do is get the art assets anyway. I'm not trying to get the art coded assets. Anyways, what I did today, I didn't say that ain't super special. There were new units for the Hololive English, Hololive Gen 3, I think. That's what the fans say, but it's they're actually called Hololive Infant. So that's exciting. They're all cute. They're all cute. They're all adorable. Excuse me. My AV was getting out. Not that it's an issue or anything like that, but it's like it sounded weird. It sounded very weird. Anyways, what else? I had myself a pep talk walking around the house. I'm kind of weird that way, but at the moment it's like where am I gonna take myself to wherever place we want to go to, that sort of thing. That's fine. Delete. Okay, looking at it now and thinking about it, I think deleting the things, there should have been a better way to delete all of them instead of like trying to do what I was trying to do, which is delete from the project itself. I should just what I should have probably done is actually move the what I should have probably done is actually go into the project itself, into this project, go to its content, and just move the core asset, move the blueprint assets out of it, and have that deleted that way instead of just having it coming this way. Because right now it's thinking really hard, and had to do it had to do something special about it. Best I'm gonna probably take a mental note on that and just do that instead of just trying to leave for the project. Because yesterday I said I was yesterday I said it was I'm going to grab them all and grab them all, but I actually grabbed them all and a lot of assets that I don't really need. So now I was like thinking really hard and trying to figure out what it needed to do. I mean, if this is gonna be the case, and if that's going to be the case, I might as well just close this down and just do it this way. So now the stuff that was in here, it's not gone. All right, that should at least take care of that problem. All right. This is my plugin thing, and then here is everything else. Import data assets. I have no idea what this is. I think it's for something else. That should. Okay. Okay. All right, I think we're good here. And test this thing. All right, real quick, I need to make sure we fix up any redirector shit. Redirector stuff. Okay, real quick. Let me go in the game. There we go. Not player pawn. Player controller action. Yeah, actually take a look at the opponent. Make sure that this actually. Okay. All right, looks like we're not running into those issues anymore. But we are not hovering. And that is my biggest problem at the moment. Player action. I want to go into player action. I want to make sure this is actually being called. These are actually called. When I'm going to do this, I have a couple of them up. All right. Let's stop the thing so we know it's being called. However, we know it's not. However, I think we know it's not being picked. No, wrong one. Not player pawn. What here? Player action. And we know it's not being ticked. Because this was supposed to print. Okay. Let's see. Component tick. On. Let's see. All activation. What if I need to turn that on? Enabled. I have no question. Oh, I have no idea. Component. Huh. Right for component. Okay. I'm thinking about how I might not do that, but player action. Okay, let me close it down. Let me see if I can get away with having the Rex component be adding in the constructor. If not, I'm probably gonna have to get rid of that getting rid of that. Because what's supposed to happen is the player action this update hover tile and unit. I think it's supposed to be called more multiple times, but it's not doing that. And the tick component's like not ticking at all. Actually, not looking bad. If not, there's another one I want I can use. I think it's called primary component tick. Oh. Oh, there we go. Here we go. There we go. That's what I was looking for. All right. So now, like, when I hover over the unit, we can actually now see. That's just sometimes though. Does that have to happen when? It looks like it only happens when both the unit and the tile is covered. Okay. And here we go. Now if I click on it, come on, I can. Okay. There we go. We can't move, that's fine. And that is hovered is okay, what's wrong? This is under unit again. Yeah, like set is hover is complaining. I don't think I did anything special with it. Anything special with the unit, other than just the player controller. So I don't think it doesn't have anything to do with that. So let me actually take a look at my unit this time. get hovered or hovered. That is hovered, and it's hovered this to this hovered, and it's hovered change broadcast this. Real quick, I think that's all. It looks like it's just all of it. But sometimes there might be more. This might be more. I have to take a look at the inside of it. Yeah, that's just it. Okay, and okay, we're going to remove the nave event for this because we're making it crash for some reason. That also means that we need to get rid of the implementation there as well, and then run. I think I'll do the same thing with the is set, and yeah, I think I'll do the same thing there. There we go. Okay, and I think that should be good. That should be good for right now. Making these type of builds are very long and very drawn out. Wish I am able to. Kind of wish I was able to do all this in Blueprint. Unfortunately, I'm not. I'm pretty sure just trying to do this on C++. Reason why, of course, speaking of C++, I have basically learned how to code a bit more better by using ChatGPT. Usually I ask ChatGPT a question about particular type of code that I don't know. One like how do I do this with T, or with a template? What is a lambda, that sort of thing. And that actually helped out. A lot. Of course, I'll probably have to do this again later on in the future when it comes to trying to do more of my tests. Oh, speaking of tests, I applied to one particular company. And they sent me the a technical questions that's like math and like programming. I was able to do all of them correctly. It's just that I think, but after all of that, they didn't accept me. It's probably because when it came to doing an interview on the technical questions and the being able to speak with them, I was able to speak about about these things, how to fix one of them, but I don't think I was able to able to communicate on how to fix the rest of it, and that's why I didn't get accepted. So I'm pretty much trying to keep an eye on that, make sure that I guide myself into fixing that issue, and hope for the best for the next job. But I'm really getting it's really getting very difficult to really difficult to just get the job and try do the test. Like on there were certain companies that have that only does interviews. That's it. And there are other companies that's just do have interviews and have technical questions. I wonder why every gaming company went with having a technical question test, while other companies do not have those issues. Do not have those. Just interview and that's it. I mean, I like just the interview thing because I can do the thing. I just want to try to get just want to be able to do. I just want to be able to get in the job so I can be able to help them out with those things. Anyway, that's the kind of my take on it. But I was like, Let's see what I'm doing right now. Well, actually, I think we should be. I mean, everyone's running. I just went in and just got rid of the those two things. So we just need to actually set them up some way. I'm sorry, I'm having a bit of brain fart. I'm just looking at the screen and like, what am I supposed to do then? Okay, give me a second. We went to unit to undo the nave implementation, and if anything were to happen, like hovering is somehow bad, it will fix itself, I think. Actually, now thinking about it, you know what? I need to actually I said I need to make sure that the player action has some way to automatically tick. So I think the one thing I need to add here is like the priority component tick, and that should be in here. If not, it's gonna complain to me. I think we should be good right now. Super yawn. Okay. Well, so let's take a look at the primary component tech. I've been doing this so many times that I really, you know what? Oh, this is bugging the heck out of me. I'm being tempted to go into my go in here and look into my config files. Dexterity, health, jump. Okay. Okay, so I am right. It is just missing. It's missing a couple of things, and yeah, okay. That's been bugging the hell out of me for days now. I really want it to stop. All right, so now we're just gonna do this. You probably wonder why I'm doing this. Because that whenever I try to do a build or try to run it, I get these weird errors where it's saying it's not errors but warnings that they don't have these tags. So what I'm doing right now is actually adding these tags right now and just so that when it comes to where it's just trying to find these tags, I should not get any more of those warnings again. So I'll make a save, close, and actually I'm so confident about this. I'm going to close this, save, and run it again. So now we should not have these having to figure out where the attacks are at now. Look at that. Simple fix. I'm just kind of being lazy about it. Okay. Update hover tile. You can. Went too far and closed the whole damn thing. Oops. Oh no, you're able to see my background screen and all the other things I have added in here. Super on. Good scratch. Ooh, rolling head back and forth. Oh wait, don't touch anything. Okay, that was close. Okay. Just missed. I need to get that fixed. There we go. And there we go. I was just missing a few components. That's it. All right. I'm actually at that point where it's just double clicking. So we need to, or we had to double click. The reason, what's going on? Violation. Editor, no focus. Display mouse lock mode change. Lock on capture do not lock. Okay. During capture false. True. Yes. There's an access violation. God damn it. Oh my god, like today is just nothing but bug fixes. Hey, let me figure this out. Okay, there is a dispatch that. The reason why the reason why I did this because I didn't have the dispatch. But looking at it now and look at the code, I think I'll be able to do that without having it in Blueprint. Let me go back into player action. Like the only reason I have this, I had this this Blueprint created is because I wanted to have this set up. And looking at this. This particular thing was made so I can push in the set selection. I still think I need this. So either I have to make this open for all, because every time I click on this, it will do something weird. I think, you know what? Let's do that then. Let's actually go ahead and do that. Let me go ahead actually. Let's go ahead and do it anywhere here. It's gonna be read only. We're gonna call this. I'm gonna name this something else. They're completely different. Player action. I'll save. We're going to restart and make a build. Speaking of waiting, I need to remember remind myself to go get my car registered taken care of. Like, I know it's like this month, but I haven't done anything special with it. I was told that I have the car registration has already been sent, and it's already here, and it's in the house. I just don't know where. That means I have to go down, go there, and just start digging around for it. That, or I have to ask my parents, ask my dad, see if he knows where it's at, and help me point it out for me. Okay, let me look it back. Let me go look in here. Go PC. Okay. Everything looks fine. Everything looks cool. If I change. If I close you down, and if I make a build again. I wonder what games that's coming out this month or next month. Like, I already know. Actually, next month I think Baldur's Gate 3 is gonna come out. I want to warm myself. After I get this taken care of, I want to try to reward myself to play Baldur's Gate 3. I was still thinking about how I want to try to approach streaming on games. One thing I know for sure, I don't want to stream. I want to stream on Twitch for anything that's game related, or anything that's just playing games related, that sort of thing. But I don't want to stream. I don't want to stream on YouTube because I want everything on YouTube GameDev related. Like, I can pretty much come back to this and just be able to get this working. So I click on it again. Okay, it's gone. it's gone. Why it's gone? Because this is set to player action and goes away every time we keep setting this up. Why you go away, Mr. Component class? Do I need to make? Do I need to get set you as a player action, then go in here and set this one to something else? Multi-line, true. I don't think I need to have multi. And maybe if I take the multi-line out. Here, wait. Let's put you back in here. Because, again, I discover I'll be able to make a child out of the blueprint component and use that child blueprint component as part of the current blueprint. But every time I try to open the project, it set itself to reset to where the heck it is, and that's getting annoying because I know I saved it. I know I saved it to where I want. It should be set to where we want it to be. But it's not doing that. I wonder if I could try to ask some folks at Epic Games or some folks on the forum to see if they know what's happening and they can see if they fix the issue there. Because this is kind of again. Because let me tell you, it's getting really annoying. It is really getting annoying. I think it's been a while since I actually used a feature mall. I haven't done anything super special with it. I pretty much all it is using the Unreal Engine's MetaHuman, and just place all it is place the MetaHuman, just have him talk and do head bobs and all that kind of stuff. I haven't done anything super special with them. Like I want to try to do something with some layer on in the future, but I haven't done squash shit with it yet. Like I also like I was telling myself, I want to try to get oh, is it? Oh shit. I keep telling myself I want to try actually get this guy to be able to do something, or at least have some commands that shows it is doing something. But it's like, it's like I want to make this game first, get this game done, and once we're done, we're gonna then we can do the VTuber stuff. And I haven't done that yet. It's not because I don't want to try to do anything with it. It's just like really want to try to say, I really want to showcase what I am and what I do and that sort of thing. I am a game dev in space. Of course, I haven't done anything space related. I mean, I do have this chat screen right here, just saying hi and all that kind of stuff, but it doesn't haven't done anything super special. And I really want to see if I could do again, do something special again. Looking at it now, turn my head, it feels a little like I'm tilting want to tilt my head. It's like body moves, neck is still stiff. Like if I turn my head right now, I'm giving myself scratching my neck. Just then I just hear a pop. Yep, there we go. There we go. Perfect. Anyways, back here. Let me let's see, PC. Let's see. Wait. Hang on, I think I have frowned a bit too long. So let me actually get F ourselves and just do it. Ooh, super yawn. Super yawn. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Guys, never mind GameDev where I have reached an issue where wait, this way no focus target access violation. Oh, I think we're getting access violation because of tick. I think I'm fucking around. I think I'm fucking around too much. Oof. I apologize. My language is like I'm really pissed off. Ugh. Okay. I don't want one. I don't want to f around too much. I really don't want to come around and figure out what's going on. So here's what I'm going to do. Here's what I'm going to do. This is call on unit. On unit turn, UAI. If it's valid, if left click, okay, I'm looking at the code right now. Like I'm looking at this and say, if like the action get class is not empty. Why I said that instead of like if like the left action like is not something else. Why not check if it's valid or not? Okay, I feel that's a lot more. I feel that's a lot more valid. A lot more better. Set selected action, and from there we need to actually set those actions properly. The sub object of what I called it action. Is it a action or no U action? Display move class. We'll make this a read write. And we're going to call this default action. Same thing as well. That is display move action class to move action class to what class do we have? magician class to exterior bonds. I don't think I need to edit anywhere. I just need to be able to edit defaults only. I don't think I need any, looking at this, I don't think I need any of these, because these are going to be, some of the classes are going to be called in the blueprint. But for this, I'm just going to try this out. Really want to get the AI going, but I have been stuck on this for far too god dang long. Might be a sign of me not stretching my doing my exercises there at all. Okay. Display. Move. Null pointer, null pointer. That's like Italian, and we want to get the unit. False, false, and we're going to look that up. Okay. might be hesitant here because guess what's happening? Because I think I have the, but I don't think I have I have this kind of stuff the way I was expecting it to. Because here's what's happening. Here's the interface, and this interface is a user widget. This user widget needs to get cast to unit scale list, and it'll need to do stuff. We want in code. We're going to need the action unit, the action interface, to be more in C++, and that'd be difficult to do because we have the UI already set up for step and blueprint. Okay. I could probably come back to this later on. But I think this one gets skill list. This could be set up later on. This could be set up later. I think I need to get the seat back up. Oh yeah. I think tomorrow there's gonna be a game jam happening. And I want to try to participate. Hopefully the goal right there is just basically make a game and be able to send the game so people have fun in the game. There's also another game jam I'm also eyeing and hopefully wanting to participate as well, and that is the Iron Mouse game jam. It was supposed to happen. I thought it was supposed to happen today, but when I checked their time, it seems like it'll be set. It's gonna be set to do next month. That'll be on August. So pretty much gonna be I'll pretty much gonna plan on trying to apply that game jam and work on that. Okay. I think now we can actually set up back to where we need to be, which is just player action. Here we go. Wait for turn. There we go. Okay, we should be good now. Okay. On unit hover, change broadcast this. Then try the broadcast and it didn't like that. Interesting. What could be awesome? Okay. Okay. I'm going back in here and trying to find the button that tells the to not clip on it. It might be in. It's probably not in combat. Probably in debug. Supports activation focus. That's not it. Back handler. Here we go. Should use fallback your height. Okay, Hmm. It's in there. Huh. Maybe I forget how to lose the button. Where like maybe go online. Unreal Engine UMG. Hmm. Okay. You plan. I have this. I have the project. Have this project. Maybe that. Maybe they would tell me where the inputs are being consumed by. Ugh. I swear, it's somewhere around here. I think I might forgetting where. That's not it. Oh, port activation focus. High low here. I'm not seeing a way where it stops taking input. I swear I did before. Like I really did before, but it's not helping me out. And here I am falling asleep like I've never slept before. Ugh. Okay. Oh, here we go. Assume where input. Wait. It may have something to do with the button. I'm thinking about it now, and this might be it. Excuse me. Yeah. Just try and think this as simple as possible of how to solve this issue. Kind of rub my head and with my mind, because it was all working properly until I had to double click. I have never had to double click before. Hold up. This is not. I had to apologize. I may have to. I'm going to end the stream this early because we're not making as much progress as I was hoping for to do, and I'm still like I'm still stuck on it. I want to spend like an hour and a half, 3 more hours just to figure out a bug fix. That's not what I want to try. Keep have the stream keep going for it. In future streams, I'm going to do a bit more of interaction with the stream instead of like trying to find bug fixes. Any bug fixes I encounter, I want to try to do it off stream or in other places. But right now, I think I'm gonna have to end the stream here because it's not doing it. It's not irritating. That's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. I'll have this all set up next time. But I think this Saturday, I'm going to do a game jam and start from there. And throughout the rest of the months, I'm going to start doing more content, more creation of these things instead of trying to figure out how to fix the bug. So, yeah, thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. If I come back to this, all the bugs be fixed and all the things be smooth sailing because this is kind of get ridiculous for me. So yeah, later. I hate the bug fixes.